Hi, I'm Aarvi Khandelwal, and this is the Natural Disaster Assistant, a life-saving tool designed to help people prepare for and respond to emergencies when every second counts. Natural disasters are increasing in both frequency and intensity. In January 2025, the California wildfires deeply affected me. Seeing families displaced and critical alerts missed made me realize how unprepared we often are. According to FMEA's 2023 survey, although 77% of people believe a disaster is likely, only 50% of people have taken even 3 preparedness actions. Worse, alert signups dropped from 46% to 36% in 1 year. People are aware of the danger, but they lack the tools to act, and that's the gap this app aims to fill. Problem. The Natural Disaster Assistant is designed to guide users before and during emergencies. It detects your location, shows safe nearby places like shelters and hospitals, and uses AI to generate a step-by-step rescue plan, all tailored to the specific disaster you're facing. It's fast, intuitive, and accessible when you need it the most. Let me show you the 2 key features. First, you enter your address manually, and then you select your disaster type. For example, earthquake, wildfire, or flood. It maps the nearest safe locations using Google Maps and icons for clarity. Second, the app uses OpenAI's GPT-4 to generate a custom rescue plan that tells you exactly what to do next. No guesswork, just action. Here are screenshots of the app. You can see a clean, user-friendly interface, quick access drop-downs, emergency services mapped out visually, and an AI-generated guidance ready to read and follow. Everything is designed for clarity in a high-stress situation. Real-time alerts from official agencies, offline access to rescue plans and maps, multilingual support to reach underserved communities, SMS-based disaster updates for areas with low internet connectivity. My goal is to make this app a global resource, starting at the community level and scaling to regions with a high disaster risk. Streamlit for a fast web-based interface, Google Maps API to show safe zones nearby, OpenAI's GPT-4 model for generating personalized disaster plans. This app is lightweight, efficient, and it works across devices, built with real people's safety in mind. And call to action. Disaster readiness shouldn't be a luxury. The Natural Disaster Rescue Assistant empowers people to act, not panic. If we can close the gap between awareness and action, we can save more lives. Try the app, share it with your community, and let's build a safer future together, one plan at a time. Thank you.